Hello and welcome to today's art class. Feel free to pause this video along the way to keep up with all of the steps. Welcome! Today you are going to need some plain paper, a grey lead pencil and a selection of coloured shapes cut from coloured paper. What you will need to do to start with is choose a large shape. You might choose a circle or a triangle, and then what you're going to need to do is collect lots of different shapes to layer on top to create a face. Now, if we think back to Picasso's faces, they don't need to look realistic. Have a go at exploring the different sorts of faces that you can create by using shapes. How can you layer the shapes? How can you arrange the shapes on your table? Have a go at creating a few different types of faces. When you find a face that you really like the look of, then you can have a go at sketching and drawing it onto a piece of paper. This will help you in future lessons when you are creating your Picasso-inspired faces. Play around with the shapes, have a lot of fun. I cannot wait to see what you come up with. Once you have designed a face that you are really happy with, you then get to draw it on a piece of paper. Remove all the excess shapes that you don't need and start to do a rough sketch. Please keep in mind that your face does not have to be perfect. This is just a rough sketch so that you can remember the layering, the shapes, and the style of the face that you have created. If you have time, you might even want to create more than one design. Well done! It's time now for you to go and create your own Picasso-inspired faces. Thanks for watching. See you next time.